Banana cake recipe. 4 pieces of ripe banana, 4 large eggs, a half cup of melted butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of evaporated milk. Step 1. In a medium bowl, mash the ripe banana well. Step 2. Add 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half cup of melted butter, and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Then, mix well until smooth. Step 3. Add 2 cups of brown sugar and mix well. Step 4. Put 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Sift until no lumps. Mix until well combined and smooth. Grease molds with butter or oil before putting the baking paper. Then, pour the banana mixture into greased molds. Put in the oven for 30 minutes. Checked by inserting toothpick or chopstick to make sure if it is already cooked and done.